Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your crypto. Com Visa card. First, you'll need to order your card directly through the crypto. Com app. Complete the necessary identity and address verification steps to ensure your card can be issued. Once your physical card arrives, activate it using the app and set a secure PIN. This PIN is essential for both in-store purchases and ATM withdrawals, ensuring your transactions are protected. Funding your crypto. Com Visa card is straightforward. You can easily top it up using fiat currency directly from your fiat wallet within the app. Alternatively, convert your cryptocurrency holdings into fiat to load onto the card. For convenience, link a bank account to facilitate quick transfers to your fiat wallet. Always ensure you have enough funds loaded before making any purchases. Using your crypto. Com Visa card is just like using any other Visa debit card, whether you are shopping online or in a physical store. A key benefit is earning cashback rewards on eligible purchases, adding value to your spending. You can also make ATM withdrawals, subject to specific daily and monthly limits. Plus, enjoy favorable interbank exchange rates without incurring foreign transaction fees. Managing your crypto. Com Visa card is simple through the dedicated app. You can easily monitor all your transactions and check your current balance at any time. If your card is ever lost or stolen, you have the ability to instantly freeze or unfreeze it directly from the app for security. Additionally, you can adjust spending limits and review all your card details, contacting support for any questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.